good evening, beautiful ladies, and it's time to do a nighttime beauty routine, and this is the way I do my skincare at night, everyone. Actually, I love using some skincare products like peeling, whitening, and I'm using this Niche Pure Toner, this one. So, and I love this Blanc Honey to custom my pad, everyone. Gusto ko talaga to dahil sanay lang, masyado lang akong sexy. So, when you apply or clean your face, everyone, make it sure talaga na it's upward. Ganon. So next, I apply my Elabo White Porridge Protection Protect Lotion. Ba't hindi na ko gagamit ang pad, everyone? Ilagay ko siya sa kamay ko, and I just like that. Ganyan lang siya. And pag mag-apply ka ng product, even, don't push too much. Light lang, ganun. Para mag-absorb ang product sa face natin, no? Ganyan. And next, I apply this Logic Hair Care Vitamin C Serum. Konti lang, 1. And then apply din sa neck. So this is how I do my skincare at night. And next, I apply my Vaseline Lip Therapy. Minsan nahirapan ako magbukas nito, everyone, as in talaga. As in, matigas siya. Ang sakit ng kuko ko. But you know, pag hindi siya magbuksan, nahirapan talaga ako pag bukas siya, everyone. So this one, this is my lip therapy. Dapat talaga mayroon kang lip therapy, everyone, dahil akala mo lang hindi nagdadry yung lips mo, but talagang nagdadry. Hindi mo malalaman pag malagyan mo na ng mga moisturizer or lip therapy or scrub mo, dahil hindi talaga magtanggalan yung ma-feel mo talaga yung last pang.